In this video, I will show how to turn on and enable reader mode in Chrome browser. So guys, as we can see, we have this reader mode. Enable and turn on. Just right click anywhere in your document and click on open in reader mode. So you will see this new feature, and in this panel you can read document easily. You can change fonts. You can increase font size. You can increase the panel. And here you can change the color. So select which is the better for you. There are options default. Or default will depend on your system. Light, dark, and yellow, blue, and here you can make it standard, very close. Letter spacing wide and standard. So this way you can read easily documents on Chrome browser using this reader mode. You not find here this option. So in the Chrome browser, type here in the search bar Chrome and flex. So search here and search here reader mode. So here you will see the option reading mode. Enable the reading mode feature which generate a reader friendly view of web pages. Open the side panel and select the reading mode to try the feature. It will work on Mac, Windows and Linux. Chrome OS. In this drop down, just select enable. And you need to relaunch your browser. So thanks for watching guys. Comment this video useful for you.